with light. Tuesday comes with fun and play, smiling, laughing all the way. Wednesday's here, half the week. Keep on going, reach your peak. Thursday brings new things to do. Try your best and see it through. Friday comes, hip hooray, school is done, it's weekend day. Saturday is fun and free, picnic games or climbing trees. Sunday's calm, a day to rest, family time is always best. 7 days come every week, learning more is what we Zoey helps along the way. Come and learn with us each. Zoey helps along the way. Come and learn with us each. Zoey helps along the way. Come and learn with us each. Zoey helps along the way. Come and learn with us each day.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow for more adventures.